Alright, we are going to go live for the next step of bread baking. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the whole thing set up.
And then I'm going to pound it first.
Alright, come here, Gracie. Hold this. Hold it right on. Over here. So first you want to put down a little bit, because we are going to do this. We let the bread rise for an hour. I'm only putting this down a little bit again, is so it doesn't stick to your surface, okay? You want to make sure you have a nice clean surface, which we do. Some people use cutting boards and stuff, I guess, I don't know. Now, this is the fun part. Well, that's what Gracie always tells me. Alright, so now, you get this bread down. Alright, so you get it all down. And I put a little flour on. Now, the reason why I do the flour myself, and I'm sure there's probably other reasons, I'm not a professional in any means, but see how the oil's already got on it and everything, okay? So, the reason why I put the flour down is to take up some of that moisture from the oil and everything, and then we'll put it back, and we'll keep the pan ready to go. Oops. Okay. So, we're going to do this, and we're going to pound it down here in just a second. Add a little bit of flour to it.
Yeah, very nice.
Alright. And the reason why we pound it down is I want to get it as low as possible. I want to get up the rolling pin. Alright. Have fun with this stuff though. I mean, everybody always takes everything so serious in life. I don't know why everybody takes everything so serious in life, you know? The whole idea is just to enjoy everything you're doing. And you know, if things start getting bad or mad or whatever, you know, then you gotta take your frustrations out. When you take your frustrations out, you just no, hold on to it. I'm starting to get my frustration up and going. I'll let you beat it down, don't worry. You want to beat it first? Alright, Gracie wants to beat it first. She sees where I'm going with this, and she's like, she knows me too well. But, hey! Alright, she wants to beat it down. This is the ultimate stress relief for you and your children. Hold on. Alright. Sorry, did I do that? Alright, keep beating it. Beat it down. Oh, please. You call that a beat down? Would you like me to do it now?
No. I don't know how to do it.
Come here. Hold it. I'll show you. This is us beating the bread down for it to rise later. Here, Grace. Alright. Here, hold it right on the bread. Got it? Stay in. Okay, ready? Alright. Gracie did a good job. She'll come back and do it again. The reason why I kind of do it is I don't like really sticky areas because then it'll stick to your hands. Hey! Oh, wow. What, you want some of this? Alright. Nah, that's not good enough. When you gotta beat the bread down, you gotta beat the bread down.
You break my head.
Alright. Okay, see, and the whole idea is you got to get it to go down, but the yeast is constantly moving, so that's why it's going to rise again once we put it up, but you got to activate it. You got to activate it. And then what we're going to do is once we get it done, we're going to cut it in half. Oh, you got that. There we are. There we go. Get it all nice and pounded down. A little flour on it if you need a little more flour. Because if it gets sticky, you don't want it to get sticky. You don't want it to stick to anything. Knead it, knead it, knead it. There you are.
My turn.
Hold on. Alright, Gracie wants to do it now. Alright, beat it down, Gracie. Beat it down.
1 second. You're supposed to roll it first. I want to. 1 second.
Alright. We supposed Come on now, kiddo.
Okay.
Come on, take some anger. Take some aggression out.
It hurts.
No, be careful with that though, because I don't want you, because you can't miss. No, you don't stab. No. No. It's not stabbing. You got to beat it down. There you go. It's like taking a knife and trying to stab it to death. It doesn't work like that. Come on, girl. Get yourself some. Punch it. Punch it. Come on. Punch it. Punch it.